In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Acer laptop is not detecting the external monitor. So what you first need to do is reset your graphics driver. For this, press Windows plus Control plus Shift plus B together on your keyboard. Once you do this, your screen will flash for a second and hopefully the external monitor will be detected after that. However, if that doesn't happen, right click anywhere on the desktop and then go to Display Settings. Now in here you need to click on multiple displays. Now scroll down and then click on this detect button. If you get this error that says we didn't find another display, what you need to do is press Windows plus P on your keyboard. So press this shortcut and then select duplicate or extend from the list and then see if that fixes the problem. If it doesn't, what you can do is right click on the start icon and then go to Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, you'll first need to expand Display Adapters. Now right click on the GPU driver and then disable it. Now select yes to confirm. After that, right click on the same entry and then select Enable Device this time. However, if this doesn't solve the problem either, right click on the GPU driver one more time and then select Uninstall Device. Now tick this checkbox and select Uninstall again to confirm. After that, expand Monitors. Now right click on the monitor driver and then uninstall it as well. Once you have done this, simply go ahead and restart your Acer laptop and your issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, you may need to hard reset your Acer laptop. For that, shut down your Acer laptop and then unplug everything including the monitor's HDMI and the charger as well as any USB accessories. Once you have done that, simply press and hold the power button on your Acer laptop for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, plug everything back in and then turn on your Acer laptop and the issue should be resolved. However, if nothing else works, there may be an issue with the HDMI cable or the HDMI port you are using. Try using a different cable this time and then connect it to a different HDMI port on your monitor.